big air jet airliner.
Yeah. Oh, they're going at each other, yeah.
Right? A little Black Hawk.
Here you go, sir.
Black Hawk.
Coke, roast, blaze that green. Flip the script on the corporate doomsday machine. Everyone got to contribute, so the weight of saving the world will distribute. Share the burden, so our great creator, Mother Earth, don't close the curtain. It's too early. Skate, commute, bike, that's the truth. Pay each other daily tribute. We all Earthling family, avoid petty disputes. Just reboot. Start from scratch daily. Unplug, detach, get analog high. Breathe deep, gaze at the blue sky. Be happy for and with that calculator. No need to bring it to life with AI. We already got Darth Vader. Our loyal machines and appliances have no real alliances. They'll eat us alive if we continue to strive to bring tech alive. Victor Frankenstein vibe. So robots can think, feel, thrive. Careful. Fake microchip brains still ain't ready, hardly stable or reliable, mostly unsteady. Them experimental artificial intelligence got a long way to go. Untrustworthy, mad glitches, many Mike Pences. Grow your hair long, ride the bike, take the hike. Respect and thank you, Cheech and Chong, beach and bong. That's how we get along, cannabis and art. Let your mind go, create from your heart. Anything is a start. A stick figure, origami, haiku, just do you. Earth's melting pot needs the unique flavor of your personal voodoo. Unleash the fury, JT. So by design, create your own self-expression lifeline. Make Zen your daily friend as this shape-shifting reality we bend and mend. Some chase trends to their generic derivative ends, while others move paradigms. Eager to see society, culture, humanity evolve and realign. By our peace and love, it's all by design. We can do this, manifest this. Educational, generational, vocational. Build your life the DIY way. 24/7 art, inspirational. Do it yourself, baby. Stay shady. Get wavy. Keep Venice freaky. Keep it herbal, not tweaky. Ride that cannabis to creativity. Free them cannabis prisoners. They were just chilling out. Let them go.
Ah.
Freak Show. Bring it back. Bring back the Freak Show, baby. Bring back the Freak Show. We got the flyovers.
Very nice time, my friend.
Good times. Nice with the tunes.
Writers here with the company. Last week or 2 weeks ago, they did this.
It's a nice, the Stone Mind likes a nice little something.
Just get in there and do it. People forget that. Like, I had a cool uncle once time because when he was young, they found Abney Hoffman. He goes only to find out Abney Hoffman when he was getting high. He was a young guy in college, just a real smart guy and stood his ground and put himself out there. He's now is then. He became Abney Hoffman. Just in retrospect, everyone gets more famous with time. But in that moment, he was notable. Not Abney Hoffman. Right. Even Elvis wasn't Elvis.
They were enjoying themselves in those early days. Like Woodstock at Hendrix. Young, enjoying the moment. Let it rip. Let it rip.
I smell the green of the east. It's a good smell. So we don't have it. It's like I say,
We got deep ocean winds though. Serious flyover going on here. What's up, Mark?
Good.
What's up, Rosie? Good. Chilling. You want to burn? Trying to burn? What do you got? Is yours?
It's a Bombay with strawberry.
Obviously. Chilling. JT! Doing a little chess.
Oh, hey, you want JT?
What is that?
Bombay with strawberry.
Like, I got my toy.
Bombay Sapphire.
Yeah!
Oh, shit.
Hey.
I forgot. Sapphire. It's gonna go down. I thought I only had to try to get to it. It's a lot of ice. That was good. Really good.
I'm gonna do the big part.
No alcohol.
There's none.
What do you have?
Bombay Sapphire.
Such a good Sapphire. So Starbucks. Good to see you. How you doing? Nice ring. Nice ring. My back now.
I better spark one. Let's keep it herbal. Who won? Still going? Battling. Great minds.
I got one and get one free.